If you have an interest in mechanics and would like to work on construction sites, why not become a road construction plant operator? A road construction plant operator operates powerful machines that spread and level hot bitumen or concrete on areas such as highways, streets, and car parks. These machines perform the final work before the road painters come in. Before operating their machines, road construction plant operators do pre-operational safety checks to ensure that the machine and its peripheral equipment are working properly. To do these checks, the road construction plant operator needs to be very familiar with the type of machine he or she is operating. They need to also understand the machine's capabilities and limitations. Road paving machines need to be operated precisely, so the road construction plant operator will need to ensure that the machine travels at the correct speed to lay the surface properly. While laying the new paved surface, the operator will need to regulate the temperature and asphalt flow so that the surface is even. If any smoothing out of the surface needs to be done, the road construction plant operator will operate the stamping machines or rollers that smooth these areas out. No matter which machines are used, the paved surface has to be laid to specification. Safety precautions will need to be observed at all times, and the correct clothing will need to be worn. Road construction plant operators are people who have the capability and strength to operate heavy and expensive machinery. Road construction plant operators are also responsible for basic routine maintenance such as lubricating, fueling and cleaning the machine to increase the vehicle's lifespan. Road construction plant operators are punctual individuals who pay attention to detail. They also have the ability to receive and convey oral and written instructions well. To become a road construction plant operator, you will need a Grade 9 or NQF Level 1 qualification. You will also need a valid driver's license. In most cases, employers will provide you with their own specialized training courses and on-the-job experience before they qualify you as a road construction plant operator.